If you're trying to lose body fat, but you're constantly hungry, constantly thinking about what foods to eat, and you feel like fat loss just isn't working for you, I want you to stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm gonna show you one simple fat loss meal that makes being in a calorie deficit feel effortless. And if you've been feeling stuck and fat loss has felt frustrating or unsustainable for you, we're gonna change that today with this one meal. This specific meal is gonna help you stay full, eat without feeling restricted, all while actually making progress without starving yourself, because that's the key here. Finding meals that work with you, not against you. And what you're currently eating could be causing you to have low energy, constant hunger spikes, and never truly feeling satisfied, making it harder for you to stick to your plan. So with that being said, I present to you the number one fat loss meal, which is, I feel like I need a drum roll. Okay, that's enough. Chicken, potatoes, and broccoli. I know, it's simple, but that's the point. I think sometimes we try and overcomplicate it with fancy recipes, but when it comes to fat loss, the goal here is simple. Eat enough protein daily, keep calories under control, eat high voluminous foods, repeat meals that work, avoid extreme diet approaches, and make the process sustainable enough that you can actually stick with it, because simplicity and sustainability will always lead to better adherence, and better adherence will always lead to better overall results. So now that I've given you what I consider to be a powerhouse meal that helped me lose 60 pounds during my last transformation, but also has everything you need to build muscle, lose fat, provide sustained energy, keep you full, and doesn't require hours in the kitchen, let me give you 3 reasons why this meal works so well. First, it prioritizes high amount of lean protein, which helps preserve muscle, supports your metabolism, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Second, it uses a carb source that provides more volume without packing in unnecessary calories, which means you can eat a satisfying portion without totally blowing your deficit. And third, it includes enough fiber to slow down digestion and keep hunger stable, so you're not constantly thinking about when your next meal is. Now, when you combine these 3 together, you create a meal that works with your body instead of against it, making fat loss feel easier, more manageable, and more predictable. So now let's go over why this meal is so effective for fat loss, and towards the end I'll go over how to easily prep this meal to your advantage, starting with our protein source, chicken breast. And notice I said chicken breast and not chicken thighs. One of the special things about this meal and why it works so well is that the calories are low while keeping the volume of food high. And that simple swap from chicken thighs to chicken breast can save you hundreds of calories, since chicken thighs are a more fattier source of protein. So in this case, the leaner the source, the better. So why is protein so important? Is it just to be really jacked like this guy? No. Well, yes, that's part of it. I'd say that's like the plus side, but it actually goes much deeper than that, than just building muscle. Protein helps preserve muscle while you're in a calorie deficit, which is important because the more muscle you keep, the higher your metabolism stays. But protein also plays a huge role in controlling hunger and making fat loss sustainable. Out of all 3 macronutrients, protein is the most satiating, meaning keeping you full for longer after you eat, which naturally helps you eat fewer calories without feeling like you're restricting yourself. It also has a higher thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbs and fat. On top of that, getting enough protein helps stabilize energy levels, reduces cravings, and makes it much easier to stay consistent day after day because you're not constantly thinking about what your next meal is. So when you build a meal around a lean protein source, you're not just supporting muscle growth, you're helping control hunger, support your metabolism, and make fat loss feel easier and enjoyable. Now let's talk about the carb source in this meal, because this is where most people get surprised. When it comes to fat loss, not all carbs are equal in how full they make you feel. And potatoes stand out because it gives you more volume, more satisfaction, and more control over hunger for the calories you're eating, compared to something like rice, which is very common in this meal. Potatoes are much more filling per calorie, which means you can eat a larger, more satisfying portion while still keeping your total calorie intake under control, which is a huge advantage when you're trying to lose fat, because feeling full is what helps you stay consistent. It also contains more fiber and water content, which slows down digestion and helps keep hunger stable instead of feeling hungry minutes later, which is why you can eat a plate of pasta and still be hungry shortly after. both carb sources, but not nearly equal. This is why on the satiety index, where studies compare common foods, boiled potatoes rank as the most filling food tested, meaning people felt fuller after eating them compared to any other carb source. That makes this an incredible, powerful choice when fat loss is the goal, because you can get a plate that actually looks and feels like a real meal instead of something small that leaves you searching for snacks an hour later. This is one of the biggest reasons why this meal works so well, because it allows you to eat in a way that feels satisfying while still supporting a calorie deficit. So instead of thinking carbs are the problem, the real strategy is choosing the right carbs that work with your goal instead of against it. The final piece that makes this meal effective for fat loss is the addition of a high volume vegetable, because this is what helps turn a good meal into an even better meal by controlling hunger. Vegetables are great because they add fiber, water, and volume without adding many calories, which means you can build a plate that looks big, feels satisfying, and helps you stay full for hours. Consuming foods high in fiber is one of the best ways to help regulate appetite signals and avoid constant food cravings, because it creates real physical fullness, sending signals to your brain saying, hey, we're good, which naturally helps you eat fewer calories without trying. It also physically adds bulk to the meal, which plays a big role in fullness because your stomach senses volume just as much as calories. And if you're anything like me, we love seeing a nice full plate of food. So when you combine a lean protein source that supports metabolism and satiety, a high filling carb that keeps you satiated and allows you to get more volume for the calories, and a fibrous vegetable that adds even more fullness and slows down digestion, you create a meal that works with your body instead of against it. This is what makes fat loss feel more manageable, because you're not relying on willpower alone. You're structuring meals in a way that naturally helps you eat less without feeling like you're eating less. So now that you understand why I consider this a complete powerhouse meal, here's how to actually use this meal so it helps you lose fat faster without feeling like you're starving. First, you don't need to eat this for every single meal of the day, and you definitely don't need to be perfect with it. The simplest approach is to use this as your go-to fat loss meal at least once a day, especially at the time of day when you're usually the hungriest or most likely to binge, overeat, or eat out. For you, that could mean your lunch or dinner, because that's when fast food cravings and portion sizes tend to creep up. And if fat loss is a top priority right now, a good rule of thumb is to build most of your days around meals structured like this one, focusing on lean protein, a high filling carb, and a high volume vegetable. Think of it less as a strict meal plan and more of a template you can repeat consistently. This makes meal prepping easy and gets rid of the decision fatigue of trying to figure out what to eat next. And speaking of meal prep, one of the greatest things about this fat loss meal is that it's extremely easy to make in bulk, and you can make it in a way that satisfies your craving. For example, I typically have potatoes at least twice a day. One meal would be more boiled potatoes to keep me full for longer, especially during that lunchtime. And my second meal will have air-fried salty potatoes with ketchup to give me more of a crunchy and French fry feel to satisfy any cravings I may have. This makes prepping fun and enjoyable, which actually allows me to look forward to my meals. So don't be afraid to change it up, rotate seasonings so you don't get bored, and drizzle some low-calorie sauces to add more flavor if you feel the need to. Now, in terms of portion sizes, I wouldn't worry too much, mainly because it's much harder to overeat when you eat in a way that supports fullness and satiety, but that still doesn't mean that you can overeat this way. Overall calories still matter, but if I can give you some real practical advice, it would be this. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, eat until you are comfortably satisfied, not stuffed, and use portion sizes to help create your meals. A good rule of thumb is to use a palm-sized serving for your chicken, a cupped handful of potatoes, and 2 fist sizes of broccoli per meal. And if you are currently someone that is tracking and weighing out their foods, you can simply adjust your portion sizes based on your calorie needs. On a final note, one of the advantages of eating this way is that it allows you to still leave room for flexibility in your other meals. Remember, the goal isn't restriction. It's making fat loss easier by choosing what we know works better. When you constantly choose meals that keep you full, support your metabolism, and help you control calories, staying in a calorie deficit stops feeling like a struggle and starts feeling more automatic. Follow this structure consistently and give yourself a realistic, sustainable way to lose fat while still enjoying the process. I truly hope you found this helpful, and if you want to combine this meal with my 7 key steps to losing body fat naturally, watch that video next, which I'll pop up somewhere here. As always, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace, guys.